A business with 5 different tools sounds productive until you realize you're spending more time switching tabs than closing deals. If that sounds familiar, this CRMOne might be exactly what you need. It's an all-in-one CRM software. Today, we're taking a look at CRMOne to see whether it can really replace multiple business tools with just one. So let's get started. Let's start with the features we noticed first, the web chat. Inside the automation section, we found the conversational AI agent, and from there, we just enabled the web chat option, copied the generated code, and pasted it into our demo site, and the chatbot was ready to go. Once it was live, we tried asking it different questions, like pricing details and plan information, just to see how it would respond. And honestly, it handled those questions quite naturally. We also tested a real customer conversation where someone asked about connecting a social media account, and the agent responded instantly without any confusion. If needed, you can even enable voice support and appointment booking so the chatbot can schedule demos or meetings automatically for visitors. On top of that, CRMOne also gives you a centralized inbox. After connecting channels like WhatsApp, Instagram, or email, every conversation appears in one place. From there, you can reply, compose new messages, add internal notes, apply filters, mark spam, block contacts, or even check form submissions, all without jumping between different apps. Now that the conversations are handled, let's see how we managed all those contacts. To add a new contact, we manually entered details like the email ID, phone number, first and last name, date of birth, and any additional information we wanted. We also selected the lead source, contact status, and tags, and assigned the contact to a user. And then the contact appeared in the list view. We could also switch to grid view with a single click. We also tested the contact import feature by uploading a CSV file, mapping the fields, assigning a user, and starting the import. CRMOne also includes an advanced filter, where we selected specific fields, applied filters, and saved them for later use. Besides that, we could rearrange contacts with drag and drop, search for specific records, and even perform bulk operations by selecting multiple contacts at once, making contact management feel organized and easy to handle. Next, we also noticed that CRMOne lets users schedule appointments directly from the platform. To do that, we went through the Add Appointments button, selected a contact, chose the relevant calendar, and picked our preferred meeting date and time. If we needed to invite someone else, we simply entered the guest's email address. After creating the appointment, we could join the meeting directly from the dialog window or reschedule it. So after that, we moved on to reaching those contacts through email marketing. Here, we could see all our existing campaigns, whether they were ongoing or already completed. First, we entered a campaign name and selected a regular email campaign, then added the subject line and preview text. We could either write everything manually or choose one of our saved or predefined templates. After selecting a template, we also had the option to edit it before using it. Attachments could also be added. Next, we selected our contacts manually, although advanced filters were also available for narrowing the audience. Finally, we chose whether to send the campaign immediately or schedule it for later. Once finished, we could open the campaign reports to view its performance, while the Analyze section displayed the overall email marketing metrics. Next, we wanted to see how easy it was to build a website. This section comes with ready-made templates, though you can also start from scratch if you prefer. You can easily edit pages, add images, products, and other elements, and then preview everything in both desktop and mobile views before publishing. It also lets you manage SEO settings, share your website, rename, and copy. Now, to capture leads, the form builder lets you create interactive forms in just a few steps. Simply choose a form type, give it a name, and add the fields that fit your business. You can also include custom fields and customize the form's design. Once satisfied, you can preview, save, and publish the form. Next, let's look at how we managed deals, tasks, and products. To create one, we associated a contact or account, entered the deal name, value, type, and priority, selected the pipeline and stage, added the expected closing date and tags, assigned it to a salesperson, and even attached products with pricing and quantity before clicking Create Deal. We could customize visible columns, filter deals by pipeline or status, save filter views, and switch to Kanban view, where dragging and dropping made changing deal stages really simple. We also saw forecasted revenue, closed revenue, and lost revenue in one place. From there, we moved to tasks, where we created tasks linked to contacts, accounts, deals, or tickets, added titles, descriptions, due dates, priorities, stages, tags, assigned users, and even created follow-up tasks after marking one as completed. Finally, under products, we created new products, uploaded images, added descriptions, set pricing, chose recurring or one-time billing, imported products through CSV files, added Stripe products, archived products, and updated existing ones whenever required. After forms, we also tested the survey builder. To create a survey, we could either build one from scratch or choose a predefined template. We selected a template, clicked preview, and then chose which fields we wanted to include. Then it generated a ready-made survey. From there, we customized it by adding new fields, editing titles, changing answer options, and making other adjustments based on our needs. We also had the option to apply one of the predefined themes or style the survey ourselves through the settings section. Once everything looked right, we clicked Save and Publish. Okay, now finally, let's see how CRMOne helps track everything we've been doing. Inside the dashboard section, we found several ready-made dashboards, including contact analytics, account analytics, and deal analytics, each showing reports related to its own module. We liked that CRMOne doesn't limit the number of dashboards, so we could create as many custom dashboards as we needed. If we wanted to make changes, we simply customized any dashboard by filtering reports, downloading data, rearranging widgets, or even moving reports around until the layout matched our workflow. Switching between dashboards was quick. Then we moved to the Reports section. Here, every module had its own dedicated reports. We could open contact reports and filter the data by date, such as viewing only the previous quarter. The same approach was available for account and deal reports as well. Since every module comes with its own reporting system, those reports can also be added to different dashboards, giving us a clear overview of business performance from one centralized place. So overall, we found that it brings together almost everything a small business needs in one platform. So if you're looking for an all-in-one CRM instead of choosing multiple tools, CRMOne is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next review.